Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Electrolyte Boost is probably one of the most refreshing and health-conscious choices you can make when it comes to staying hydrated and energized. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of sugar-free electrolyte drinks, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if they're the right fit for your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from the science behind electrolytes to the best brands on the market, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Key Nutrients Electrolytes Powder, Refreshing Lemonade. Are you looking for a way to stay hydrated and energized? This electrolyte powder is the key. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts and active individuals, and it has a delicious lemonade flavor. Our bodies need more than just water to get pumped up. This powder has no calories or sugar, making it a healthy choice for anyone. You'll enjoy staying hydrated with this refreshing drink. Refuel with this lemonade electrolyte powder, powered by 6 key electrolytes and 10 vitamins. They help you stay healthy and hydrated. It's a great way to replenish what you lose during activity. When you sweat, you lose electrolytes, the minerals that keep you energized. Replenish lost fluids with this no-sugar powder mix and keep up with your active lifestyle. It is designed to keep you going. Mix it with any drink, cold or hot, or with water. This hydration powder is your perfect drink companion. There are no fillers and artificial ingredients, just as nature intended. We are a veteran-founded business focused on developing high-impact health supplements for your active lifestyle. Made in the USA, our science-backed products help you lead happier and healthier lives. What we like. This electrolyte powder is perfect if you're looking for a refreshing drink without the added sugar or calories. It's packed with essential nutrients to keep you going. If you're an active individual or fitness enthusiast, this is the perfect companion for your workouts. It will help you stay hydrated and energized. What people say. The product is sugar-free. Electrolyte drink is effective for hydration. Number 4. IQMIX Hydration Electrolyte Powder Variety Pack. Are you looking for a way to stay hydrated and boost your energy? This is IQMIX, a unique hydration solution. It's designed to keep you sharp and energized throughout the day. IQMIX rapidly rehydrates while boosting energy, focus, and mental clarity. It tastes better than water and traditional electrolyte drinks. It combines electrolytes with brain nutrients for all-in-one hydration. This product is powered with clean ingredients like lion's mane mushroom to support focus and fight brain fog. It also includes magnesium magnesium L-threonate for clarity and mood. It's a great way to support your cognitive function. Each packet is only 10 calories, with 3g carbs and 0g sugar. It's made to fit clean diets, including keto, paleo, and vegan. You get everything you need and nothing you don't in one hydration mix. These single-serve sticks are easy to carry. They are perfect for busy lifestyles, workouts, travel, and more. Take it with you wherever you go to stay hydrated, energized, and focused. Just mix one packet with 16 ounces of water for refreshing hydration anytime. Enjoy crave-worthy flavors. It's a better-tasting, brain-boosting way to stay hydrated daily. What we like. This product stands out with its unique 4-in-1 formula, offering hydration, mental clarity, mood support, and recovery. It contains brain-boosting ingredients like lion's mane. If you're a busy professional or student looking to stay sharp and focused throughout the day, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to keep you at your best, anytime, anywhere. What people say. The taste is great. It has a good flavor and is refreshing. It works great for me. Number 3. Juicy Splash Electrolytes Powder. Feeling tired after a workout or a long day? This science-backed electrolyte powder can help you recharge quickly. It's designed to hydrate your body faster with a sodium-potassium balance and key electrolytes, helping you recover and feel stronger. Imagine the taste of fresh citrus or berries. This product offers vibrant fruit flavors, sweetened with stevia and without any artificial ingredients. It's perfect for cooling off, recharging, or adding a refreshing boost to your day. This hydration packet goes beyond hydration, delivering essential vitamins. It's designed to keep you energized and ready for anything. It's also clean and fits seamlessly into any lifestyle, being gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and dairy-free. Why carry heavy drinks when you can have a small packet? These electrolyte powder packets are compact and easy to take with you. They dissolve instantly, providing smooth and refreshing hydration without any hassle. This product is made with natural ingredients and packaged in recyclable materials. It's a simple and sustainable way to hydrate. Just mix it with water, shake, and enjoy, or add it to your favorite drinks for a refreshing boost. What we like. This electrolyte powder provides hydration and energy 3x faster than water. It also includes essential vitamins to support your overall well-being. If you're an athlete or someone with an active lifestyle, this product will help you recover quickly and perform at your peak. It's designed for those who need a quick and effective hydration solution. What people say. The product is sugar-free. Electrolyte drink is a great option for those looking to stay hydrated without the added sugar. It is a good choice for individuals watching their sugar intake. Number 2. Ultima Replenisher Lemonade Electrolyte Powder. Are you looking for a way to stay hydrated? This electrolyte powder is packed with 6 key electrolytes, vitamin C, and zinc. It provides enhanced hydration without any sugar, calories, or carbs. This drink mix is naturally sweetened with organic stevia leaf and infused with real fruit flavors. It contains magnesium, calcium, potassium, chloride, phosphorus, and sodium. You'll love the taste. This daily electrolyte drink mix replenishes your electrolyte levels without the sugar, calories, or artificial sweeteners. It's sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, keto-friendly, and non-GMO. It's a great choice for your health. This 90-serving canister is perfect for daily hydration at home. Simply add 1 scoop to 16 ounces of water and shake or stir well. Add ice if you prefer it cold. Ultima has been perfecting electrolyte hydration for over 25 years. You deserve balanced hydration to replenish your body every day. Live your ultimate life with this product. What we like. This electrolyte powder offers balanced hydration with 0 sugar, calories, or carbs. It's naturally sweetened with organic stevia and infused with real fruit flavors. If you're looking for a convenient way to stay hydrated at home, this large canister is perfect. It's designed for everyday use, making it easy to replenish your electrolytes. What people say. The product is sugar-free. Electrolyte drink is a good choice for hydration. It has a good taste. Number 1. Ultima Replenisher Variety Pack, 0 Sugar Hydration. This Ultima electrolyte powder packets deliver balanced daily hydration. It contains 6 key electrolytes, vitamin C, and zinc. This variety pack provides enhanced hydration without any sugar, calories, or carbs. The electrolyte drink mix includes magnesium, calcium, potassium, chloride, phosphorus, and sodium. It's also packed with vitamin C and zinc. The sugar-free formula is sweetened with organic stevia leaf extract and infused with real fruit flavors. Inside, you'll find lemonade, grape, raspberry, cherry pomegranate, and orange Ultima electrolyte packets. These 0-calorie hydration packets replenish electrolyte levels without artificial sweeteners. It's sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, keto-friendly, and non-GMO. This 20-serving pack is perfect for on-the-go hydration. Simply add 1 stick pack to 16 ounces of water and shake or stir. You can even add ice for a refreshing, cold drink. Ultima has been perfecting electrolyte hydration for over 25 years. You deserve balanced ingredients to hydrate your body while you're living your ultimate life, every day. What we like. This product comes in a convenient variety pack, making it easy to try different flavors. It's also sugar-free and perfect for on-the-go hydration. If you're someone who enjoys variety and needs a quick hydration solution while traveling or working, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to fit your active lifestyle. What people say. The product is sugar-free. Electrolyte drink is a good choice for those watching their sugar intake. It is a good option for people looking for a sugar-free electrolyte drink. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.